All right, today is November 4th, 2024. Going over post market review of my trades. Um, Bit of a tough day, not even gonna lie. Um, Market opened up here, price was dropping, and at the open, price pulled up and it sold off. So at the open, price pulled up and then sold off, came down, hit settlement price, and then strongly reversed. NQ also came to settlement price and reversed. NQ had clearer signs of like this price action. So price slowed down, started picking up. I didn't see that we're picking up because I was looking at NQ and I was expecting the price to come down a little lower. But price picked up and then we had a buying candle. That price reversed on. As you can see that we had sell, 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 held, buy, and then reversal, buy. And then price reversed from there. Nice reversal. And it started, once it reached up here, I thought about looking for a long around here because we had buying coming in, but I needed us to clear this. I wanted us to clear this, at least close on the 5 minute, but it didn't happen until like we're over here. So I didn't get the long that I was looking for. All right, so price came up, came down, and it gave us like the opportunity. So um, so I didn't get the long. I did think about getting in long, but it just it didn't make sense to me at the time because we did get above all of this selling on the 1 minute. Somewhat, not really on that, but do get above the selling on the 1 minute. So and we're back above the low, so potential to get long at the break, which is right here, and the trade would have been like this. But I stayed in this trade, I would have been in this trade like this, praying for price to come up to that. But this still would have been a nice trade. This is 5 points to make about 16 points, and that would have been it, and I would have been done. Then we had here the reversal, and then price. Then we had here price hitting the highs up there, and then it reversed. I thought about going short, but price was not giving me anything I could think of to go short until afterwards. I realized that I did try to go long up here. I tried to go long down here when price came down. Was bouncing off of this, but we turned black here. But went long because ES and Q was still green. But we were facing a supply zone. But price had space to move. Price had 10 points to move higher. We didn't have much above, so I thought price could possibly break. I didn't have anything here, but for NQ, I did have this slutter of redness, which price rejected strongly, and that's when I should have went short. I thought about going taking a reversal here, but I didn't. I did try to go long somewhere around here. I go with that trade, and then price sold off very harshly from there all the way to the noon session. So I missed this opportunity. I went long twice here and missed this double top. The price dropped down 30 points. All right. Um, and I was trying to go long because NQ was showing signs of buying and we're still going up, and VIX was showing signs of selling. But once price broke out of the channel, a pullback entry was going to be here, and it was a nice pullback. It was very clear, not to say the less price broke out, and then it had a pullback right here, and then price sold off. So I missed this opportunity, even though price was really clear and straightforward. I just did not know how to pull that trigger to go short. This is it right here. Price came up, held, and then sold off. Right? This is NQ. NQ gave me this. I looked at NQ and said, shit, I think NQ is done. Upon seeing that here at 12:30, 11:30, I should have really just went short because at 11:30 That probably happened very quickly. So yeah, so price really just sold off after that, and I missed this opportunity. Then we had a dead reversal where price hit here, and reasons why I don't get in on these white candles here, because look, we have a white candle here, white candle here, white one here, white one there. All right, so yeah, so then price dropped down, pushed down, dropped down, slowed down, and then it reversed nicely. And then I took the short here, down to here, took my exit somewhere here when price started pushing back up, and that was one of my last trades. And then I took a long right here, price pushed up, couldn't break, and then I took my exit. I think I took my exit because price started dropping down very harshly. All right, and it had a nice little double bottom at this level that we made intraday. Nice double bottom, drop, push up, down, and push up. So we had the volume coming in, price came back up, challenged that volume, came back down, and then pushed up for an end of day bounce. So let's go to my actual trades. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So my actual trades, all of them were continuation retests. So and I'm gonna be quick with it because I do gotta get going. It's 11:26. So continuation to the upside was the goal. Price was moving up. We had a nice pullback back into this level. So and then when price started bouncing off of that level, well, I took my entry, um, but then price just dropped and took me out. Looks like my stop loss could have been a little lower, probably below 5757. Let's go see what that looks like. Below 5757. This entry was at 1045. 1045. That could have been down here, but then I would have an extended entry. I'm looking at the picture. I'm just like, what would my stop loss be down here? But it was somewhere. I took this breakout here. So price took me out. Price went here, and price did eventually move a little higher after it took me out, but not high enough. So my entry was here, and I thought we are riding out. I think I had this trade something like this. Um, something like that. So I should have waited till the 5 minute breakout and then that. So I gotta wait for my 5 minutes. I keep trying to enter on the 1 minutes. So this one kind of broke out, but not really. What time is this one? This is 40. I entered at 45. So I entered at the breakout here, kind of breakout, but I should have waited till price was actually out. Like this was actually out. And then I could have waited for a pullback and a break on that one. So I could have entered on this one right here like this. This probably would have been a better trade. And then if I notice that price is struggling, I could have just exited the trade. Hopefully don't hold it. Because that would have been the better trade. And then I did take another trade, same area, around 1180, 1048. 1048. Right, so 1048, I took the trade where price was breaking out, so I should have waited for the 5 minute. This was the second trade. That also ended up being a loss. I thought that um, I, I added to the trade at 1103 here. And we actually did the setup to move out. All right, so that's when I added the trade, and this is the only trade I should have taken. Right, so this should have been it here. Price came down, balance came down, and this would have just been the only one. Probably should have taken any of these, but you know, you can see prices really holding below this buying that got absorbed, and prices couldn't get back above it. So I should have just been looking for shorts while we're still in the supply zone. And Q was moving higher, and Q was still sitting below it, and then price was moving higher, but ES wasn't following, so I should have just stayed below it. All right, you can see price is not getting above, and then that's when we sold off. So this would have been the trade I should have taken for the sell-off right here when we broke out and taking it straight out. So I gotta be mindful of these green arrows of influence. And then I took my next trade at 1303. It's also a continuation play. So we sold off, price came up, broke out of it right here. And then I took the entry. We dropped down nicely. And then price started reversing. Couldn't break down below whatever I had here, which is settlement price. So I took the exit out. Come back down to find out it's actually this, not really settlement price. It was actually this buying right here. So if we go like this, we'll notice that we had a new change of direction with that, with these two candles here. And that's where most volume was. And price came down and stalled, which is also initial balance low. And then price reversed. Price came down, stall, and then reversed. And then I did try another long. I did try to go long, which was right here, but I'm in supply zone again, and I don't know why I'm trying to go long in supply. Really working against myself. But I try to go long in supply. On my fourth trade, I try to go long in supply. NQ NQ was out of supply, but ES was still in. I really have to respect the fact that if one is in supply, do not try it. If one is in demand, do not try it. And that's what I need to really work on. I've been really just forcing it. I know there was another day where price actually worked out for me. But if we're in supply, I gotta respect it. You know, if we're in demand, I have to respect it. I gotta stop doing that. All right, but price looked like it was in an uptrend. It really did. Looked like it was in an uptrend, but price did not hold. As you can see, though we were in an uptrend, um, price failed to continue, came out here, and then sold off. All right, probably around the 14 is when we got some good opportunity. Let's do this. So we broke out. It goes selling, buying, try to happen. Probably can do something like that. And let's go to here. And then we can see that we had sell, strong sell, price comes up, sells, price comes up, rejects, and goes another strong opportunity right here for end of day. And I thought about coming back. Yeah, this is perfect. Boom, boom. We broke out right here. And then we have this trade just like this. Right? So we have 48, right? And then price drops down very nicely for 9 points, and then you're out back to that level, right? So I just needed to just wait, look for a nice confluence of just trades, and wait for the 5 minutes. I gotta wait on the 5 minute. I have to wait on the 5 minute. I have to wait on the 5 minute. I have to wait on the 5 minute. So that's it for today. Signing out.